I just got these plants from Wellspring Gardens and they're from my greenhouse and I'm really excited about them. So I'm gonna unbox them now, or I can do a part one. I'm gonna unbox them, talk to you about what I'm gonna do in my greenhouse. I'm so freaking excited. It's the day before Packers game, by the way, so I'm dressed like this. So I'd seen these guys on TikTok. They seem pretty legit and I've been wanting to do a banana in the greenhouse. I didn't want to wait and hurt the plants, so I want to get them out and get them ready. So I don't think I'm going to actually transplant them today. I want to see. Oh, that was not a very good way to open that. Okay, but I am on the top of the plant, so that's all right. So I'm just going to get them. My plan is to just put them in watering trays right now until I'm ready. Oh, snapdragon. Cool. I'm terrible at opening boxes. I think maybe if they were like, hey, I bet there was a place where it was like, oh yeah, start here. But the good news is I'm not hurting them. All right, here are the two plants. So I got, thank you for choosing Wellspring. All right, we got one guy. This is Vanilla Bean Orchid. So this is my first orchid ever. I'm very excited about this. I hope I don't kill it. So that's gonna be fun. I gotta learn about orchids. So we got the, oh yeah, banana. That's gonna be the greenhouse. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. I believe I did a small dwarf. You can see it. Musa Tropicana banana. I believe this is the dwarf one, not the tall one. I did get some other guys. I have some plans. I have plans for the pottery that I got for the greenhouse. Oh yeah, this is the one I've been waiting for. This is the one I'm really excited about. Plastic out of there. This is an ice cream banana. Musa Acuminata Blue Java ice cream banana. Look at that guy. I'm really excited about bananas. So vanilla planifolia, this is vanilla orchid. And then here's bananas. Let's go, gonna be excited to plant these. It's gonna be awesome.